Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point. So you can record an empty background for up to 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Then you walk in. You can use either a car or if a tree, maybe, or you can use a wall. And then you do as if you are trying to do something right there. Then you turn immediately and then bend yourself towards that object you are using. I don't know if you understand. So when you are done, you walk away and save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, you click on new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. So look at it here. So here we recorded an empty background. So from this particular part where the character wants to walk in, I will just tap on the video layer, then tap on split. Understand? So click on split. So now go and look for overlay. So let's go and look for overlay. Alright, see overlay. Click on overlay. Now it will come down. Just tap on it, bring it to the beginning of the video, just like what you see on screen. So the video is going to start like this. Understand? So what you do here is you will tap on the first layer, which is the empty background. So you go and look for freeze. See freeze. Click on freeze. So now tap on the freeze layer. Just tap on it, drag it to the end of the video. You get my point? Just keep dragging it to the end of the video. So guys, you are going to come back. Just come back to this particular part where the character is about to fall back to the car. You get my point? So you tap on add overlay and click on add overlay. So you bring the car effect. See the car effect right here. Understand? So what you need to do is you will have to go and look for remove BG. Click on it. Click on chroma key. So tap on chroma key. So when you click on it, move the circle to where it shows green. Now increase the intensity. Just increase it to 50. Okay, leave it at 50. Let it be at 50. Then increase the shadow to 50 also. You get my point? So when you are done with this, you tap on this OK button. So guys, the next thing for you to do is to expand the car, make the car big. So you place 2 fingers on your screen. Understand? So you make the car big to your preferred size. So guys, what you need here is just a little settings. So you can set it so that when the car is hitting, understand, it will be as if it's hitting the character and the car will condemn like what you see on screen, something like this. So guys, please like and share this video, like, comment. If you have any issue, let me know in the comment section. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so you won't miss out on our tutorials. Guys, I noticed you guys forget to turn on the bell notification icon. That bell you see, just click on it and then turn it on so that you'll be notified whenever I drop another amazing video. Understand? You'll be the first to be notified. So that's just it. And if you want me to mentor you on video editing from scratch, guys, you can chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description of this video. You get my point? So I charge a little. You get my point? So guys, let's continue. So when you are done with the settings, what you need is for you to tap on the second layer. You just tap on the second layer and click on split. Delete the ending part of the video. Tap on the first layer also. You click on split and delete the ending part of the video also. You get my point? So when you do this, just delete it. That's just it. Then you align them. Just make sure they align, so one layer will not be showing and leaving the other layers. I don't know if you get my point, but I believe you get my point. So that's just it, guys. So now let's see what we got. So guys, please take note, I don't entertain on serious people, no matter the amount of money you pay. Understand? If you're not willing to learn, please just back off. Understand? So that's just it. I believe you like what you see on screen. So when you are done with all this, you just save your video to your gallery and you are good to go. So see you in our next video.